Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix assistive that not working or not moving on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply reset your assistive touch. For that, open settings, scroll it on, tap on accessibility, now tap on touch and now tap on assistive touch. Now, firstly, what you need to do is just simply turn off your assistive touch if you have turned on, and after that, you have to tap on customize top level menu, and from here you have to reset your assistive touch from here, and after that, go back. And after that, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and after that, you have to scroll it on and then tap on general, and then scroll it on all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset network setting or reset all setting. So from here you have to reset all setting or reset network setting, and after that what you need to do is just simply go to settings. Now scroll it down all the way. Now from here you have to tap on general. Now tap on shut down. Now slide to the right side, and after that you have to turn on your device at least after 5 or 10 seconds, and then after that what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it on and tap on accessibility. Now tap on touch, after that tap on assistive touch, and now you have to turn on your touch, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. It is guys, it will work properly. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.